everyone, and welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at some of the yang style stepping drills. These are going to help us with our balance, with strength, and with safe movement. I will show a standing version as well as a sitting version, so you decide which one works the best for you. So let's get started. Let's start with the basic stepping pattern we use in yang style Tai Chi. Your feet will begin underneath your hips, relaxed and grounded. Remember, your knees are soft and slightly bent. We are going to shift all of our weight to the left side. Then we're going to gently step forward just a few inches. No big strides today. Think slow, calm, and controlled. Now you're going to slowly shift your weight to your other leg, into that front foot. Do not rush. This is training your balance and leg strength. Let's do the same now with the other side. We're going to step just a few inches forward, then lift that back leg, slowly place it down just a few inches in front and shift your weight. Now, to add something else to that, in Tai Chi, we usually place down our heel first. Just the heel kisses the floor, just ever so slightly. Then the rest of your foot comes down. So let's try that again. We've got our weight on our left foot. We're going to slowly step forward just a couple of inches. Let that heel just barely touch the ground and then put the rest of your foot down. To see it from the side, it may make it a little bit easier. We've got the weight on our left foot. And if it helps to hold on to something, do that, because we're all about stability here. We're going to lift that foot just a few inches forward, put the heel down, and let that front foot just roll forward. Bring that back one up. Let the heel touch the ground. Roll it forward. This is going to help you with your balance. It helps to slow you down in a good way. Everything we've done today can also be done in the chair. So let's look at how we would do that. You want to do it while you're seated. I'm letting my heel come up, then my toe. My heel goes down, and then I roll it on down. Like a little seated march. I'm shifting my body weight as I do this. Excellent work you did today. Now, these simple stepping drills will help you to build your confidence, your balance, and have smoother Tai Chi movements. Practice these anytime. I'll see you next time.